everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all that I recently purchased. Some stuff I legit got yesterday and some stuff also got delivered today. So I thought let's just sit down and do this video because I really wanted to talk and there's so much going on, professionally, personally. There's a lot of ups and downs, and last 1.5 week has been no words at all. So yes, I really want to sit down and just talk and feel better and then start shooting tutorials. So that's why I thought that a haul is the best way to do that. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive into the video and I hope you will enjoy it. So I want to start the haul with Miniso. It's such a cute store and I've been a regular visitor over there, and in fact my family also loves their stuff and we all keep going there. It's pretty near to my place, so we all keep visiting Miniso and buy cute stuff. So yeah, the first thing that I got from Miniso yesterday is this eyelash curler, and it's rose gold with a pink band and stuff. It's very cute. It's not like I needed an eyelash curler, but this looked very cute and everything. So I thought let's just get it. And this is just 150 bucks. So the thing about Miniso is that everything is pretty affordable and good quality. So yes, if you also want some good stuff and you just want to experiment, or you're feeling low and you just want to go and buy a couple of things, just go to Miniso. I think you will have a good day because everything is so cute. The next thing that I got is a wallet. Now I love small wallets like these because I love traveling, and when I'm traveling I want something like this. So yeah, I had another wallet from Wildcraft, but it's ruined now. It has been my partner in crime for so many trips. So but yeah, I have to give it up now. So this one retails for 290 rupees and it's pretty good quality and it's black, perfect for traveling. So yeah, I like it. The next thing that I got is this pair of razors. Now I recently started facial shaving and oh my god, I am loving it, and I'm like, why didn't I try it earlier? So I watched this video from Riddhi. Her channel name is Her Happy Face, and it just changed everything for me. So I was like, I definitely need to give this thing a chance, and I went with my best friend sometime back to Miniso only and I got my first razor and it worked amazingly well for me. So I went again for a backup, and the last time I got my backup I gave it to another friend because she wanted to try it out. So I went yesterday and got these for myself. The earlier razors that I have from them look something like this. These are also for 150 rupees and they come in a pack of 2, but I wanted to try something new, so I got these blue ones and let's see how they are. The pink ones are really good, by the way. In case you want to try it out, do try them out as well. And for this I'll let you know on my Insta stories how they work. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, what are you doing? Go follow me, okay? Alright, so the next thing that I got is something that I definitely need in my life. This is an eyelash applicator. Now I'm pretty new to fake lashes world and it's really difficult to use that regular plucker that I use for my eyebrows. So it's very difficult to work with it. So I got this one and it's pretty good looking applicator actually. It's matte black and stuff. So let's see if it can help me with my fake lashes or not. And again, this one retails for 150 rupees. Isn't that pretty good? So yeah, there was this offer on Miniso on certain items only, like you can buy 2 and get 1 free. So I got this free. Now this is a travel kit. It comes with a plucker, and so I already have a plucker for them. I'll just show you that I bought myself, and it also comes with a razor. So now this is perfect for traveling, and I love collecting stuff that I can use while traveling. So this is the razor. So it's like 2 in 1, and this one also retails for 150 rupees. I think that's a perfect deal. Plus this comes in a pouch. So what else do you want? This is perfect. Let me show you the plucker that I got earlier. Now this I've already started using, and it comes with this geometrical design and all, but it's very sturdy, matte black again, and yeah, I like it. I really like the grip and everything. And again, this one retails for 150. So next thing that I got is something that I actually need while recording my makeup videos. So I got two hand mirrors. This is the first one. It has flamingos all over it and it's really pretty, and it has the mirror like this. And I have another one which is panda. So yeah, my my office colleagues used to call me panda, and I have this one. So both these mirrors also retail for 150 rupees as far as I remember. I started using this one. So if you have watched my recent makeup tutorials, then you must have seen this, and I'm yet to open this one, but both of these were also for 150 rupees, and I think that's a deal. The next thing that I got from Miniso is actually a headband, and I got this for skincare videos. So basically I want to put my hair back and I can use it. So you will be seeing this very soon, and again, this one is also for 150 rupees. It's a head wrap with those cat ears and all that stuff. And the next thing that I got from Miniso is a powder brush. Now this is how it looks. I haven't opened it yet, but let me just put it to test and see how it works for me. I have my compact hair and I have nothing on my face, so let's just try it out. Again, this one also retails for 150 rupees. I haven't even touched the bristles yet, but they are very soft and it feels so good. So let's just put it to test and see how it works. So I really like the brush. It's very sturdy, the bristles are really soft, and it works really well on your face as well. And I think in 150 rupees it's a pure deal. You should definitely give it a try if you're looking out for reasonable brushes. And yeah, that's all from Miniso. And next I picked two things from Body Shop. So I just had some coupons through my membership, and I was just wandering in the market, and I thought, like, let's just go to the showroom and see if I can pick something. So I got this white musk perfume, and I love this fragrance. It really is for me. I really loved it. I just did spray this on my hand, and in fact I think it gets better with time and it feels even better. I don't know if you can feel the emotion right now, but I really like this fragrance. The next thing that I got, I think you probably must have seen this in my some other haul or on Instagram, but it's something that's very regular. So this is a olive fragrance shower gel, which I absolutely love. This is my third bottle actually. My brother also loves it so much, so I think this is going to stay in my bathroom as long as Body Shop is going to produce this. So yeah, this is my by far the favorite shower gel ever, and I love shower gels. I have so many shower gels in my bathroom, but if if olive one is there, I don't think so I'll pick any one over it. Never. It's never going to happen. So moving on, I did buy some boyfriend t-shirts from Bewakoof yet again. I know it's no news anymore because I don't know, I have so many t-shirts and stuff from them, and I think like I should be their brand ambassador there, whatever. So yeah, I got 3 boyfriend t-shirts, and the first one is, I'm wearing it actually, and it reads Sab Moh Maya Hai, which is so true. Yeah, that was funny. So that was the first boyfriend t-shirt. It's a beautiful green color and I love this color. And the other 2 boyfriend t-shirts are in black, but I'll just quickly show you, the print and everything. It's actually some coat over it. Wait, I'll just show you. Alright, so I had to tie my hair up in a bun because it's so hot and I cannot shoot with my fan on, and I don't have AC in this room, and it's really sad life, but that's how we have to roll. So yeah, we will. So the second boyfriend t-shirt that I have bought is this. It's a plain black t-shirt, but it's written perfectly imperfect, which is, yeah. So yeah, this is how it looks, and so me, I love it. And the third one is again black, because of course we do never have enough black, right? So this is how it is, and it says, when in doubt, travel, which is so true. Travel is so therapeutic. So next I got some stuff from Jabong, and if you have seen my latest haul of summer dresses, then you must have seen that I'm really into cotton tunics these days, and they look so good and they are so comfortable. Let's just accept it. So there was this sale going on recently, the end of recent sale if I'm not wrong. So I was able to bag some 4 things in that sale, but then I had to return one of them because I didn't really like it that much. But I have the other 3 with me, and I'll just show you one by one. So the first one is this beautiful tie and dye shade, kurta and tunic. So there are no side slits basically, and it has this beautiful detailing, and it looks so cute. And the neck is also V, which looks really, really pretty, and the sleeves are like this much, so they basically come till your elbow. And yeah, this is how it looks. It's really long, so it's just a little above your ankles. I love this stuff, and it's a little bit see-through, so if you are planning to wear it as a dress, then you'll have to wear white shorts or white 3/4 leggings, whatever they're called, however you're comfortable. But I think it's see-through, so you'll have to wear something inside. So yeah, the other 2 are also similar. So this one is a plain solid color blue tunic, and it has a pocket. Here's the pocket, which I really love. I have something similar in red color. It has a zip as well. And the good thing is that I got all the 3 for like 1,600 bucks or something, not more than that. And again, the length is similar, just a little above your ankles, and it's plain. The sleeves are a little longer than the pink one. But yes, this is how it looks, and looks super pretty on me. Super pretty. I'm not going to try any of this on because it's really difficult, and I'm shooting like 11:30 p.m. in the night. And but I'll definitely try to post pictures on Instagram. So if you're not following me, what are you doing? Please follow me, okay? And the last tunic and the last thing for this haul. It's a very beautiful color. I absolutely love this one. So this is not my size actually. I need to get this adjusted, but this is another tunic. The sleeves are shorter than the other 2 definitely. These are like this much only. But it's a solid color. There's a little bit of detailing over here, in the front, the chest area. And it definitely has, it has one pocket, and the other pocket is just for the namesake. Like it's stitched. I don't know why they have it there. But they had something, yeah. ऐसा कुछ था तो सही यार, अब नहीं दिख रहा मुझे. But yeah, okay, so this is how it is. Probably that was in the blue one. So the one pocket in either of the tunic, one pocket is just for the namesake and the other one is this. So I don't think so it's this one, it's the other one. So yeah, this is also looking really pretty. The color is so beautiful. So I'll get it, in my size. I'll get it stitched from the tailor, and then I'll probably be able to wear it. So yeah, that was all for the haul. And yeah, I promise you guys that I'll be back with a bang, and I'll be more regular and all that stuff. And yes, there's this thing, okay? If you like videos, then please engage with them. You can give it a thumbs up, you can comment down below, even if you don't like it and you have a constructive feedback, not hate. Okay, let's be very clear, we don't want any hate. Let's just encourage each other's effort and give each other some benefit of doubt, like, life would be easier that way. So let's just do that. And yeah, just engage with the videos, comment, like, and share videos with your friends if you can do that 10 second of exercise if you want to. So yeah, it takes a lot of effort, and it's a lot of us are doing it full time, and it really means a lot to us. So if we can do that, it would mean the world to me and to my fellow creators. So do it for people and help them grow. And yeah, that's all from my side, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I know I look really weird in this video. I just wanted to sit down and talk. So yeah, I didn't really do any mehnat in getting dressed up and looking good, which generally I don't do in most of the videos, I know. But today was a really let's just talk today, okay? So yeah, that was all. I'm saying this for the last time. That's genuinely all for the video, and I will take your leave now. Bye bye, take care, spread some love around, yaar. Logo ko khush karo, khushiyan badhao, and I should go. Okay, bye bye. Take care. I love you guys so much.